Hello everybody, welcome to VINCAR's Room channel. While this channel has always been about showcasing unique cars, today, cars take a back seat. I'm sure we're all aware that we're living in very different times. Personal hygiene has never been more important, and the need for personal space has never been more prevalent. In line with the government's recommended course of action in the new normal, we at VINCAR also encourage everyone to follow those rules. And yes, those practices have been carried over to the car buying experience as well. Currently, appointments are preferred if you're planning on coming down to speak to our sales representatives. Do note that our current operation hours are from 10 AM to 6 PM every day. Alternatively, you may visit our e-store at www.vincar.com.sg to browse through our complete range of available cars, both new and pre-owned. Our e-store also offers financing resources that you may find useful in helping you to make the purchase. Should you wish to proceed with the sale but would prefer a contactless transaction, VINCAR also offers our clients the option to do so. Sales and purchase agreements can be digitally signed and emailed back to your sales representative. All you have to do then is to wait for updates regarding the progress of your new car. Simple, right? All staff have been reminded to wash and sanitize their hands as often as possible. Of course, our savvy-looking masks are now part of our uniform. Safe distance measures are also strictly enforced in the showroom. Upon entering any of our showrooms, they will need to have their temperature taken, after which guests are required to use only the Trace Together app or token to check in. Hand sanitizers are available throughout the showrooms and guests are encouraged to use them as often as possible. Our discussion tables are now restricted to only 2 people, including a VINCAR sales representative. A gentle reminder here to keep your mask on properly at all times. Once the discussion is over, the table will be wiped down and sanitized. And with the need to keep masks on in enclosed areas, our beverage menu will be unavailable at this time. You may request for bottled water from our customer service officers, but remember to consume it only when you're outside the showroom. Despite an ever-changing environment, VINCAR will always take your safety as paramount. If you're planning to come by any of our showrooms to shop for your next ride, rest assured we've got you covered. Thank you for watching VINCAR's Room channel and stay safe.